Welcome to your fractions challenge. Now that we've spent some time getting comfortable with what fractions are and how to represent them, I'm going to offer you a challenge. Here I have 5 rectangles, which are all the same size. I want you to get a pencil and then print out the worksheet that accompanies this clip. You'll notice that the worksheet has 2 sets of these identical rectangles. Here's your challenge. Color 2/3 of the rectangles below. This would be a good time to pause the clip until you've solved the problem and then resume the clip for a solution. Alright, so how would we solve this? We know that we need to divide the set into thirds. How do I know that? Well, let's take a look at the fraction. It's asking for thirds. I'm asked to color in 2 parts out of a total of 3 parts. So let's do that. But how on earth do I divide 5 into 3? Well, let's make it easy by looking at each individual rectangle and divide each one into 3 equal parts, or thirds. Like so. Now back to the question. How many do I need to color in? 2/3. 2 out of 3. So I need to color in 2 out of 3 parts in each rectangle. I'm therefore coloring 2/3 of that rectangle. Logically, if I do this to all of the rectangles, I will have colored in 2/3 of the set, which we see. Another way to look at this problem, well, let's say that I've got 3 columns. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. I can now say that 2 out of the 3 columns are colored in. There we go. Let's try one more. A question for you. Color 3/8 of the rectangles above. So this would be the moment when you take a look at the bottom set of 5 rectangles on your sheet and try this question. And the solution will follow, so this is a good time to pause. Alright, so your solution should look like what you see on the screen. Here we've taken each rectangle, divided it into 8 parts, and shaded in 3 out of the 8 parts on each individual rectangle. Therefore, we have colored in 3/8 of the rectangles above.